Hello everyone, welcome back to Web Dev Mentors YouTube channel, and we are watching Learning Bootstrap series. In this video, we're going to see about description list in Bootstrap. So if you remember, we have left out something under the list category in the typography section of our Bootstrap documentation. And this is what it is. Description list are pretty much like the lists in the Bootstrap. Well, you can find the description for the description list under the lists category in the documentation section. So the list of terms with their associated description. So for example, you have a product or else a service, you can provide descriptions using some kind of headings. For example, here we are seeing the description list, and there's a small explanation or the description for that particular heading. And so in order to create a description list in your HTML documentation, you have to use the DL tag and DT for the title and the DD for the data. So this stands for the description list, and then the description title, and then the description data. So there are two forms, that is the horizontal description and the normal form that we have already seen. So this form is where the title will be there, and directly below it you would be seeing the data for the title. And in the horizontal section, where you can see that the title and adjacent to that, that is directly on the same line, you would be finding the data or the description of that particular title. So in this way, you can create some product descriptions or some informations about it. You can see it in a lot of websites. So it's pretty much like a table, but there's only one value and a title for each value. So that's going to be the main thing that we're going to see in this video, how to use the description list and what are all the ways that you can use. So let me get to the blog post content page, and I'm going to use this table and the first traditional devices as my description list. So I'm going to use it for something like 2012, 2013 and change, all those things. These are all my device type devices, 2012, 2013 and change, or my description title, and traditional desktop laptops, etc. And these percentages are going to be my description data. So in order to create those description lists, all you have to do is that use these. So I'm going to give you examples on both the forms, that is the default form and also on the horizontal form. So let's get on to coding part, and I'm going to add it in the place where I have used the images. I'm going to remove the images where I find it is not going to be useful anymore. So class, I'm going to create a column. I don't think it's necessary. You don't need a column now. So you can just straight away start it in here. So DL stands for description list. I've created that now. I'm going to start with the default description list, and here is the DT and here is the DD. So these tags, and I'm having around 5 of them, so I'm going to create 5 of them, and I'm going to actually copy these things. Device type is this, and traditional. Instead of going to the page, I'm just going to type it out, and then the devices, laptop, desktop, TV, etc. So now the next thing is the 2012, 2013. Yep, I've noticed that it's not laptop. 2012 and then 2013, and we are going to see the change in here. So I'm not so good in numbers, so I'm going to copy them and paste it. So I'm going to copy them along with the percentage, and here we're seeing 78.99 and minus 9.63. So now let me refresh it and see how it looks. So this is how it actually looks in the default section. As I said, there is a title, and then directly below that you would be seeing the description data, that is the description of that particular title. So in order to make it horizontal, that is like it comes adjacent to it, just add the class DL horizontal. Sorry about that. And you can see that there's a change. And you can also see that there is a considerable gap, or the indent has been applied to the titles and it came into the center part of it. So that actually creates a good look in it. Well, you might have the doubt that whether these kind of colorings can be given to this. Well, it cannot be given in the traditional way, or else it is not available with a class to add in the description list. Of course, you can use the other way around, which is the alert class. I haven't created a video for that to explain you, and this alert danger will give that. Problem is, we will be getting red color to the entire area, so this is not going to look good. So I'm just going to remove this class. So that's going to be a problem. You'll not be getting all those extra stuffs in everything. I'm just going to refresh it, and here it is. It's simple. It can be used in order to create some kind of product description stuff, or a service description, or some kind of stuff that you want to describe with multiple properties, and you can use this kind of description list. So that's the end of this video. I hope it is very useful for you. If you find this video useful, please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of doubts, issues, suggestions, feedbacks, or some kind of help that you need from us, please let us know in the comment section of this video, or in our Facebook page, or Twitter feed, or even in our Google Plus page. Or you can also contact us through our email ID, which is nothing but webdevmentors@gmail.com. So pretty much the same name, just add @gmail.com at the end. WebDevMentors, please keep in mind. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.